In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize email subscription pages in Hubspot. Email subscription pages are essential for managing how your subscribers interact with your email communications. By customizing these pages, you can offer a more personalized experience, which can help build stronger relationships with your subscribers. Now let's dive in and break it down step by step. First things first, we'll need to head over to the Hubspot homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL www.hubspot.com. This will bring you to a page that showcases HubSpot's range of tools for businesses of all sizes. From there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Once you click it, you'll need to enter your credentials. This is a crucial step since you must be logged into your account to access and modify your email subscription settings. With your credentials entered and login successful, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools and features you have available with HubSpot. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as it's beneficial to know your way around for efficient management. Next, to get to where we need to go, let's navigate to the settings. You can find the settings button on the main menu of your HubSpot dashboard. It's generally represented by a gear icon, making it quite easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. Once in the settings, you'll then want to locate and click on marketing. The settings dashboard is arranged by different categories, and each one has various options underneath it. Marketing is what you're after, because that's where email settings are typically housed. From there, look for the email section in the marketing settings. Clicking on email will expand more options pertaining to how you can customize your emails. It's a section worth exploring more broadly after today's tutorial, as it offers a whole host of ways to refine your email marketing strategy. Now click on subscriptions. This is a critical step because it's here where you can manage and customize your subscribers' options. You'll want to be familiar with this area, as it gives you control over what subscription pages your users will see. Finally, click on the default subscription confirmation page. This is where the magic happens. By customizing this confirmation page, you can set the tone and expectation for your new subscribers. Here you can update the content they see, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your brand's voice and messaging. And there you have it, we've walked through how to customize email subscription pages in HubSpot. Customize with thoughtful intention, and always remember that these small tweaks help enhance your connections with your subscribers. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.